Hi, this is Dr. Lou in under 2. If you're struggling with tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, and you're looking for a solution, I've got just the tool for you to help you overcome the tennis elbow and prevent it from happening in the future. If you have lateral epicondylitis from playing music, from playing tennis, from working at a desk all day, you'll have pain in through this part of the elbow, the outside of the elbow right here. If you have or take a mini roll like this one, and you roll over the muscles of the lateral elbow just like this, you're going to loosen things up, you're going to stimulate blood flow, you're going to reduce adhesions and tension, it's going to eliminate or reduce inflammation by blood flow coming in and picking up the inflammatory chemicals that have built up in that elbow and carrying them away. It's almost like your blood works like an ambulance and a garbage truck. It brings in healing and it takes out the trash. If this doesn't do the trick, this gentle rolling, gentle percussion of the lateral elbow, there are other tools that can be used. But as a first step, this puppy, rolling over the lateral elbow is the way to go. One more time, roll over the lateral elbow. This is Dr. Lou in under 2. Hope you feel better. If you have any questions, post them below.